and welcome back. Now I'm gonna teach you how to draw an ostrich. So first they do is the head is just like this, and then this. It's a tiny bit dry at the moment. Now do this down, and this, and this, and then this. No, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. This is not right. But when drum goes, but as ostrich, not good to draw. It's not very easy. I hope you like this ostrich. This is silly. We're all done. Subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one.